Hi everybody, I'm Laudiaann. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm making a Dark Vader and take a look at it right now. Okay, just started making this Dark Vader. I actually made the body, the helmet. I'm gonna make the face mask now, and just wanted to share with you where I am in my progress with this. I already made the cloak for the back and following my pattern here. But I won't be making some Dark Vaders because a lot of my customers are requesting for that from me. So I have to get back to work, and I will talk to you later. Bye for now.